We start with a sketch, and we basically take a look at a character, be it our own pirate or Sailor Mickey or Poppin' Fresh, the Pillsbury Doughboy, and how would they look best as a balloon? You know, we all know them as characters, but if we're thinking about them up in the air, then how can we translate them into a Macy's balloon? And after we zero in on a sketch, then we refine it till we have a full color rendering of what we think the balloon should look like and what we like. And then we go immediately into a three-dimensional design, utilizing hand drafting and computer CAD drawings so that we can build an armature out of steel, which is basically the skeleton of the balloon. After we have fabricated that skeleton, we start applying clay to it. And we make this wonderful sculpture out of clay and refine it with clay sculptural tools, and so that now we see the sketch that we took to a rendering turn into 3D. And from that model, we'll then make a mold, an exact duplicate of the clay model. Now, why do we do that if we already had the clay? Because we're going to need two. We'll pop out another one from the mold that will be a duplicate to this. One of them stays white, like my friend here, and the other one gets painted. We keep a white model so that we can do all of the technical drawing on it, and it basically is a three-dimensional blueprint. So this is our engineering. This tells us where we're going to place the various handling lines, where all of the seaming is going to be done for the various patterns of the balloon. You can see some of them are broad and square, and other ones have to be shaped exactly. And then along the way, all of the different chambers are put together, and we figure out exactly where we're going to need a spot where we can add helium in, so there's an inflation port designed right into it, and deflation ports where we can let the helium out at the end of the parade. We'll take the second model and we will paint it exactly in detail as the way we want the balloon to end up, right down to the very last stroke of the eyelashes. And with the two of them that are twins, because they're taken from the same mold, we can basically build the balloon. And after we build it all together and paint it and attach all of the lines and all of the rigging and all of the technical things that go on the inside, then we bring them all out to our balloon fest and inflate them with helium and set them up in the air and take a look at them. And that's a great day.